I can wear that. I think I can pull it off. Guys, I am just back from the gym and literally I'm looking at one of the best presents ever. So today was Black Friday and I really wanted an Instant Pot because Walmart was actually having this ridiculous 50% off sale for an 8-quart that's only $50. So obviously I was stuck at work and I had to ask Kevin to go and try and get it because there's a Walmart just right down from where he works. So he went a little bit later and then he called me and said they didn't have any more at that price, and I was really sad. So Kevin calls me about 30 minutes later and I guess he could hear that I was actually really sad. So then he was like, hey, how bad did you want this? So he was like, are you near your phone? So I opened my phone and he took a selfie with the Instant Pot. It literally made, like, I was like tearing at work. I was like, oh my god, you got it. And he was like, no, but I know that you really wanted it, so I bought it anyways. How sweet, because I really wanted it and it's right here. I am so happy and I can't wait to cook. This literally is all the rage right now with basically all millennials, so I can't wait to try this out and make Vietnamese pho that normally takes me 10 hours to make. Hopefully this will cut it down and we can have delicious pho in about 1 hour. Okay, this is what we have coming out of the box. This is sort of like a little quick cheat sheet for all the functions, so that we don't have to go into this booklet right here. Definitely gonna have to read this in detail later on so that we don't burn ourselves. But what's really cute that I like is, like, I can't believe it came with a little recipe book. Some ideas for dinners when we run out of ideas. Ooh, you can bake in this. This is the Instant Pot in all its glory. So what Kevin got was the 6-quart, I believe, and this is the 6-in-1, so it has 6-in-1 functions. Lid is pretty easy to use. You just slide it back and forth to close and lock, so then it just comes off like that. Ooh, this is I guess a steam rack. That should come in handy. Kevin's been complaining that we need one of those to do our soy sauce steamed fish. And I guess in here we have 2 handles and what looks like a measuring cup. What else is in here? Safety, and then the pot itself. It's actually pretty small. I don't know if we could maybe, I guess it would be enough for just 2 people, but if you're like a family, I guess larger family, you might need the 8-quart or the 9-quart. And I'll let you guys know how my pork belly turns out, hopefully in 45 minutes. Hi guys, I just finished getting ready and I'm just waiting for Kevin to come back right now. He's gonna pick me up and then we're gonna head over to his cousin's house for a little game night tonight. So it should be really fun. We're gonna probably go out and grab some Chinese food and have a chill night in. Exciting news for last night. Our wedding photographer actually sent over our wedding gallery last night and I was so excited. Kevin and I had a quick glance of everything because literally there are over 2,000 photos that she took for our wedding day, and it just made me feel like so emotional last night because it was like looking through everything, it just made that whole amazing day come back to me, and I was like crying, and I literally stayed up till 2 a.m. to sort of like go through everything. I just wanted to give a huge thank you to Libby and Lucy. They were the two photographers on our wedding day, and they were so fun and easy to work with. So thank you so much for this amazing, huge, grand gallery that you sent us. The thing I think I'm gonna do now is sort of put together a wedding video on my channel, because the one thing that wasn't in our budget was actually having a videographer. So with the collection of these photos and sort of videos and snippets shot by our family and friends, I'm gonna put that all together so I can relive the day with Kevin, and I think that'd be something special. And I can't wait to show you guys how amazing the photos turned out. So stay tuned for that. So this is my little game night outfit for tonight. I'm wearing this really fuzzy hoodie and some black joggers. I am living for this fuzzy trend right now. It is so comfortable. This whole outfit I actually got over the Black Friday sale, so I'm definitely gonna do a haul to show you guys everything that I got. But I love this. I can sleep in this, wear this all day. I literally, when I'm wearing this, I don't want to leave the bed and I don't want to leave the couch. It's really, really cute, comfortable. These joggers have a little black satin stripe going down the side, so it makes it a little bit dressy. I really want to style these pants like several different ways, so hopefully it works out. It'll probably look cute with a little bodysuit and some heels, but today definitely just comfort for game night.
Squid that's coming out. Oh, that's squid.
It's not running solo right now. Like I'm not like, oh, the girl just no, like
That's squid. This is squid.
Is this with the vinegar or nothing? As is.
It's as is. That's good. Ricky, you might recommend as is?
Wow.
No extra sauce. Some garlic.
Ice cream shopping!
we hate dairy.
Dairy's for losers! All together now!
This is like Michelle.
I guess I'm so.
Why TV's hitting this stuff?
Have you ever heard anything else? I'm not ready to stick with that yet, but I've never heard of bitters being used in cooking. That's interesting. I'm gonna try that. They're using bitters in marinate meat. I've heard of that. Makes sense. It's still not.
Doing more Black Friday shopping. have there? What is it? What is it? Oh my goodness. Sour.